The Snorkel TM16E features an electric drive system that delivers longer duty cycles. Its maximum platform height reaches 16 feet with an overall width of just 2 feet 6 inches. Providing increased efficiency on the job site, this self-propelled telescopic mast lift is a lightweight and versatile solution. Heavy-duty crane lift points at each end of the machine are made extra wide for use with chains or straps. Also on the chassis is an integrated battery charger that is rated for international use, and the charging and power-to-platform plugs are fitted flush to prevent damage. For added protection, the lower control panel is recessed into the rear door. This also makes it simple to reach controls when lifts are parked side by side. When needed, the emergency lowering system is hand-operated from the ground level to manually lower the lift. For quick troubleshooting from the platform, the Snorkel control system includes an onboard diagnostic display. For easy access, saloon-style swing gates come as standard for carrying tools and materials. Get the upper hand with a fixed platform control box that minimizes loss and damage and reduces downtime and parts inventory. Proportional joystick controls offer smooth operation and precision on any job site. Operating solely by cylinder, a 3-stage telescopic mast provides smooth elevation and descent of the platform without cables. Cylinders are protected from damage inside the steel mast weldments. When working at height, a spacious roll-out extension deck expands the working area with ease. An efficient electric drive system provides longer duty cycles, and solid non-marking rubber tires prevent damage to sensitive flooring. Learn more about owning the highly efficient Snorkel TM16E today at snorkellifts.com.